CEOs or sales leaders, you think demand generation is being done by your sales team, but it's not. Our experience over the 500 salespeople we've interacted with over the last 5 or 7 years tells us one thing. Good people, and 70 to 80% of them are account managers, not folks who actually kick in new doors. If you want to grow your business materially, you absolutely need a specialized role on the sales team doing demand generation. Their job is to initiate conversations within your target market using your ideal customer profile and trigger attention and interest from those people so that you can then pass that opportunity along to a closer or an account manager. Don't try and change your existing mature sales team to make them do this. They'll never do it. You're better off to hire young people and train them properly to do professional, intentional demand generation.